Guys, so today we'll be naming chemical formulas when given the name. So, from our previous video, we noticed that all of these are prefixes, and they're Greek prefixes as well. And using these prefixes, we could immediately identify the chemical formula. So, this is how you would approach the first one, dinitrogen tetroxide. So you notice that the first one has a nitrogen in it. A nitrogen has a symbol of N. So we'll just put N there. And then we notice that there's a di in the prefix. And di corresponds to 2. So it's going to be N2. I can't put this as a subscript in Microsoft Whiteboard, but just pretend this is a subscript. And then now we're left with tetroxide. And we learned that all covalent compounds usually end with "ide." And since oxide corresponds to oxygen and well, that's 4 for tetra, you would put N2O4. That's for the first one. Okay, the second one is carbon dioxide. Everybody knows that carbon dioxide is CO2, but why is it CO2? It's because the first, the first element, carbon, clearly there's only one because there's no prefix in front of it, and you can't necessarily use mono on the first element. So you know there's going to be one existing carbon. And since di corresponds to 2 and oxide corresponds to oxygen, you have CO2. Next one is even easier, since same concept as the second one. Phosphorus trichloride. Phosphorus only has there's only one phosphorus. So, and you know this because there's no prefix, and you know it, it's going to be 1 because, yeah, there's no prefix. And you can't put mono for the first element. But you have phosphorus trichloride. Tri corresponds to 3, and chloride corresponds to chlorine. So you have PCl3. All right, final one. Carbon monoxide, even easier. Same thing as CO2. So carbon going to be 1, mono oxide, mono corresponds to 1, so there's going to be only 1 oxygen. So it's that easy. So all you need to do is find a prefix for the corresponding, I don't know, like the name, and then find the elements, and then you just put those together into a chemical formula. And that's about it.